This is AP News Minute. A disappointment at the Belmont Stakes as California Chrome fails to make horse racing history. In the end, the horse placed fifth in the race. Fans had hoped California Chrome would make a rare Triple Crown win. Tonalist took first place. In France, Secretary of State John Kerry paid tribute to the U.S. serviceman who died in World War II. Kerry laid a wreath at a monument site in his ancestral hometown. This past week marked the 70th anniversary of the D-Day invasion at Normandy. In North Carolina, a cast of high-profile guests at a memorial ceremony for poet Maya Angelou. First Lady Michelle Obama, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Clinton among the speakers honoring Angelou for her important roles in civil rights and the arts. Actor-comedian Tracy Morgan is in critical condition following a highway pileup on the New Jersey Turnpike. The Saturday Night Live and 30 Rock star was inside a limousine bus when it was rammed by a tractor-trailer. One other person was killed in the crash. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press, with AP News Minute.